college, I was in between either like taking neuroscience or the ecology major, and I feel like just pressure from parents made me try to do the neuroscience major first, but then I realized that that's not something I want to do as a career, so I decided to pursue the other major that I was interested in, which was the ecology major, and I've been liking it a lot since. So yeah. I remember I was like looking through. I got into the RSP program. I didn't end up doing it, but I was looking through all the like, um, I guess like research abstracts that were listed on the. They gave like a whole list of all different research opportunities, and the ones at the field station sounded the most interesting to me. So I like knew I wanted to apply to that. So yeah, that's what made me want to apply to be a field station intern. So this semester, I've primarily been working on collecting seeds and then separating them from seeds and biomass, and then weighing the biomass. That's been like the overarching field station project. My personal project is looking into mycorrhizal communities in TFO versus Robbins Park. So basically in a disturbed forest versus an undisturbed forest. And I'm going to be expanding it to look at soil fungus as a whole, because mycorrhizal fungus is only one type of soil fungus. So we're going to be looking at, so I already collected data on all the different types of associations in TFO versus Robbins. So we're going to be looking at if those different associations affect the diversity of soil fungus as a whole. I think the benefit is, at least for me, it's like a look into what a career in research could potentially look like, especially in research that's involved in like being outside and being in the field. And I also just like seeing where you're getting everything from. Like you kind of see the source, whereas like in lab experiments at school, it's kind of just like you're handed a bunch of reagents and chemicals and you're like, all right, just like do the experiment. But I like how you're able to see like where everything comes from, and also just getting help from mentors and like getting advice on career development and professional development has also been really helpful. So yeah.